Hi guys, today we'll go over the install of Trimble Business Center version 5.70, which was released on June 1st, 2021. You have to have a license, a subscription license, no later than June 1, 2021. So if you have expiration of your warranty before June 1, you're not going to be able to update. If you have after, then you should be able to update. We'll go over the release notes and the new features in the next video, so don't forget to check that out. Let's go to the Business Center. I have opened my version 5.62, as you can see here. And when you open Business Center, here on the right hand side you have the notification where you have check for updates button. So once you click that, it will open. It's gonna check for your updates and everything, and if you are like me, you're gonna have probably a few different things up there. But Trimble Business Center new release 5.7, a major software update available, select this to download, right? So once you hit that and you hit install updates, what's gonna happen is Business Center will go to your default browser and open this new window download. So what's gonna happen here, it's gonna, once you hit the download Business Center, you have to obviously fill out all your information. Once you hit submit, you will receive an email, here it is, where again you're gonna have an online install and offline install. So I usually do offline install so I can download it into my drive, and then I don't have to download it for each computer. For the time, I have already done that, and it's a big zip file. I think it's several gigs. So I have unzipped it already. It's 5.6 gigabyte unzipped, right? So zip version is probably around 4.5. And let's see how long it's gonna take us to install the full Business Center and what are the first things we notice. So right now the Windows is asking us whether we want to continue, so we're gonna hit that yes, and it's just a Windows notification that Trimble is untrusted or whatsoever. So yeah, Trimble installer is loading. I'm just gonna take that on the other side, and this is typical. Choose the language. You can choose a whole bunch of languages or install more. So this time we're just gonna hit next. There is the agreement. So this is a software end user license agreement version 1.3. You have to accept it. All these icons look a little bit different, so let's check tools and utilities. Okay, so you can, as usual, you can install just, let's say, license updater or office cleanup, synchronizer, etc. We're gonna hit Trimble Business Center. It's asking us where we would like to install it. We're gonna keep the same default folder. So hopefully what that's gonna do, it's set to program files, Trimble Business Center. So program files, Trimble Business Center right here. So it's gonna override version 5.6 hopefully. So we're gonna add shortcut to desktop, of course. Like that, and here you can choose what features you wanna install. So since I'm not in Australia and New Zealand, I'm not gonna install that one. I'm not gonna install the aerial photogrammetry. I'm not really, that's that UAS master. I don't use it. CAD and drafting, let's see. Okay, so I import and work within the IFC Import and work with industry foundation class files, IFC, containing 3D mesh surfaces and side vision AR exporters. So definitely want that. Data management, let's go look. Oh, so this is a little bit different. You can actually cloud services, sync master and tablet sync, GIS, feature definition manager. I'm just gonna leave that. Field data. So we have configuration toolbox, GCS 12 to 12.8, Office synchronizer, SCS data manager, and where to install synchronized data. I'm gonna change that because I have it on my D drive. So my data drive, okay. This one is new one. So then we have GNSS surveying, converter Rhinex and planning. I don't need that. And then we have point cloud, so Faro and TensorFlow GPU. Okay, we can leave that on. So once I hit next, install. So I think if we left everything in, it would significantly prolong the installation. Because I'm not gonna need those features, I'm just gonna take it up. While we're waiting for the full install, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help me in the long run. And don't forget to check out all the other videos. So yeah, oh, this is a earthwork picture there. So it's installing some kind of staging. Yeah, it almost seems it went a little bit and then it just kind of stagnating there at that let's say 1/10 of the install. So there we go. So it's installing feature definition manager. So it's going through all the prerequisites and office cleanup or installing Microsoft Visual C++. So far it seems like we are cruising on the install. Okay, so this took quite a bit, but it's definitely a major update. So I'm gonna launch the new version. And it wants to restart, so I'm gonna try to hit no and see if it opens. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say as well. Usually when there is a major update, it restarts your system several times. So right now it seems like it didn't need to do that. So Let's see what we can do. Still seems like it's opening, so yeah, let's just wait and see. Okay, there we go. It's opening up. So as usual, it's running for the first time and it's gonna ask us to copy some files. We're gonna copy all of them, just I wanna keep the definition. And we're gonna go to our support and about, and it is a version 5.7. Okay, so this was just a install of Trimble Business Center version 5.7. Stay tuned for the next video where we will go over release notes and see what new functionality is in there. See you next time.